Today, I'm going to tell you about 2 websites where you can make money and save lives. It's always great to be able to save a life. So, how do you do this? You can do this by selling your poop. You heard me right. That's right. Selling your poop. You must meet some requirements though. So, let's get into it. The first website we're looking at is goodnatureprogram.com. Get paid to poop. Yep, seriously. We're offering stool donors up to $1,500 a month for participating in the Good Nature program. Your stool may be used to develop therapeutic treatments for serious diseases, meaning your poop could potentially save lives. Now, how does it work? We're going to scroll down in 4 easy steps. The first step is see if you're eligible. Start by answering a few demographic and health questions. If you're eligible, you'll be able to book a phone screen. The second step is complete a phone screen. Select a time for the phone screen and a Good Nature specialist will reach out to you. Phone screens are available between 9 a.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Step 3. Provide stool samples. If you pass the phone screen, we will collect a few initial stool samples at your local donation center to see if your stool contains the microbes they seek. Step 4, become a daily donor. Once approved, you're eligible to become a stool donor. Stop by your donation center up to 6 days a week and get paid for your time. The second website is humanmicrobes.org. Make money and save lives. Let's scroll down and see what the requirements are. Becoming a stool donor. First step, complete the screening questionnaire. Second step, complete the verification of stool type and physical fitness. Third step, a video interview. Fourth step, stool and blood testing. That'll be paid for by Human Microbes or the recipient. Fifth step, get paid $500 per stool. If you're having a bowel movement daily, this can total up to $180,000 per year. Not bad. Some notes here. Most recipients will probably be ordering stool via dry ice shipping, the cost of which will be covered by them. Donors are prepaid for everything. We receive the order and payment from the recipient, then pass it on to the donor. The donor then prepares it and ships it out. By default, we also keep donors completely anonymous from recipients in order to maintain privacy. Let's scroll down to see if there's any more information that you need to know. Their mission, I'm not going to read this to you. You can pause to read. Here's the video they provided for you. Interviews. What are the basic stool donor qualifications? There's a list right there. Says donors must be in exceptional physical and mental health, ideally top young athletes. Ideally, donors would be under 30 years old. Donors can be 18 provided they have signed consent from their parents. Many children need FMT, and we like to match those children with young donors. We don't currently have a minimum age. Donors should have minimal antibiotic use, a specific Bristol stool type. They are accepting donors from anywhere in the world where they have access to dry ice. So if you're ready to take the first step, fill out their questionnaire to see if you qualify. You would click there.